Good morning, students. I hope you are all enjoying your online classes. Myself, Jaydip sir. One instruction I want to give you important instruction that might be you will be knowing that so many instructions are giving. What instructions I will be giving? I am giving that all the time you are busy in the online classes, but make sure that you take some rest. Rest means what? If you are giving a break for the studies, don't use any gadgets, any mobile, anything, any TV also. That time you just close your eyes and sit for a while or take rest. Understood? The very important thing, don't use that time during the break time, don't use any gadgets. You take some rest and then you continue with your study. The all I think you are not coming out of your houses also till 3rd May, and now it is school will be opening, might be on the 10th June or might be after that. What is the instruction given? So for the time being we have to go for the syllabus. Today we will be starting for module 3. See what I've written. If different rates are given in same questions, then what we write down, that what I've written, see R1, R2, R3, R1%, R2%, R3%. It can be any up to 10 also. Any rate can be given. Now what will the formula that time? That A equals to P in bracket 1 plus R1 by 100, R2 by 100. If it is continue R3, then what will be 1 by 1 plus 1 R3 by 100. Again, if it is given R4 also, what will be 1 plus R4 by 100. Now more important thing, one more topic is coming. See, when total time is not a complete number of conversion period, we consider simple interest for the last partial what I've written, partial period. For example, so I've given one example. If time is 2 years 5 months and the interest is R% per annum, then compounded annually, what will the formula? A equals to P in bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2. That why the year is given 2. Now in bracket what will be 1 plus 5 by 12 into R by 100. This formula, I think this kind of sum I've done in the previous exercises also, but still I'm giving the formula so that you can also revise one more time. Now we are coming one more topic, that is the last exercise. One is the growth and depreciation. I'm giving you the first the formula of the growth. What is the growth given? If the rate of growth is constant, growth means what? Every year you'll see that it might be increasing. Okay, then what is the increase, or what is the increase in the, suppose this kind of question will be coming here in kind of a question of a population. Suppose what population we have in 2001 or 2, now the population might be now it is increasing in 2040 also, 50 also the population will be increased. Now how to find out this kind of sums? We will be using this formula, that is V equals to V0 in bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. What I've written, see, where R% is the growth of the year, n is the number of years, V0, that is very important thing I made in the box. V0 is the present measure of the quantity, present measure of the quantity. Next, V is the measure of the quantity after n years. After n years means what? Suppose I've told in 2002 is the population is, suppose I'm taking an example, 20 lakhs. Now in after 10 years what will be? Suppose might be 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs. Then here is this the value after 10 years or n years, that is the V. Understood? If you want to copy down, it should be copy down. Okay, pause your video and then copy down. Okay, I'll do some exercises question also now in the next page only. Next, see, in the exercise 2.2 you will find that question number 8 is given. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 2000 in 2 years if the rate is 4% for the first year and 3% for the second year. That time I given the formula, that formula will be using. See what I written before that, write down the data. P equals to 2000, R1 is 4%, R2 is given 3%, and N is given 2 years. That means first year and second year. Now the formula is, see, 1 in bracket 1 plus R1 by 100, R1 plus R2 by 100. I've written n means what? This is 1 and this is also 1. Next, see, from here I put the value over here. Easily you can find, you can see from here. After, see, after up to this part you can easily find it out. But one more thing, see, this part I have done. Why? See, I'm just explaining here. From here, see, it is coming 100. Don't jump that 0 is 0 and the 0 0, don't cancel it out. First you cancel out with 25 into that, it is coming 80. Now you given 0 and 0 is cancelling out. Now see, 8 into 26 into 103 I've written over here, divided by 10. Why I made like this, I've discussed in the previous classes also, in the other classes also, so that we should not be it do not be difficult to find out the division part. If it is division part by 10, see, I can simply put the decimal place over here. Then, so for this purpose, what I've told, don't, if 0 is there, don't count it like this. If all the zeros are given over, you can easily find it out from there. But here I have done what, no division error, I made in the decimal place. Now CI, you have to find it out. CI is what? A minus P, that is equals to 2142.4 minus 2000, that is the original principal. See, and now from here, what is the CI is given 142.40. The final answer, make it in the box. Okay, next sum we will do in the type of finding out the principal. Next, see, question number 13. Here, on what, see, on what sum will the compound interest for 2 years at 4% per annum be 5712? Here, see, on what sum, see, on what sum means what? We have to find out the principal. We didn't see P equals to question mark, the value is not given. Now from here, see, CI value is given what? CI is given what? 5712. N is given 2 years, R is given 4%. Now we use the formula, the direct formula. See, here you have to use the direct formula only. Why? As because the here only the CI value is given. I cannot use the value of that particular formula, that is A equals to P in bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. As because here is nothing is given, for this purpose you have to use the direct formula. The direct formula, what you have, see, what I have got, this is the formula. I put the value. Now see, from here, after calculating all calculations, see, it is given 26 by 25 to the power 2 minus 1. Now from here, 26 square is what? 576, and here 25 written, that is 25 square is 625. Next, from here I have taken the LCM. LCM will be 625. Next step is coming, see, after subtracting, that is coming 51 by 625. Now cross multiplying, see, this multiply will divide and this divide will come here multiplication. After cutting down, see what is coming? P equals to 70,000. P is coming 70,000. The final answer will be in the box. If you want to write it down, just pause your video and write it down. Okay. What I've written, see, growth problems. I have done the growth formula. Now I have written growth problems. Example, the present population of a town is 48,000. It is increasing at the rate of 5% every year. What will be the growth increase in population in next 3 years? See, from here, present population written in bracket what? 0, V0, that is 48,000. Okay. Next, population after 3 years, that I have told. After 3 years means what I have told. See, present value, after 3 years, the value that written in the formula, that is V, that is question mark. Now N is given about 3 years and R is given 5%. Now if we know the formula, V equals to V0 in bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Then we have put the value from here. Then from here we have got that after 3 years, what is the value? It is coming 55566. 55566, that is 55,566. Now they have asked to find out what will be the increase in the population. Increase from the present after 3 years, how much is it increased? What they will do? We know the value that 55,566 minus 48,000, that is, what is the increase? 7566, 7,566. If you want to copy down, again I'm telling, make a pause this video and you can copy down, or if you can find it out in the PDF file also, I'll be giving in the WhatsApp group only with the homework. For the time being is complete. Okay, I'll give some sum from the this exercise also and the last exercise also. You do your homework, any problem you discuss, or after the school also reopen, I'll have a revision class on this also chapters, all the sums more or less. Okay, have a nice day, stay in home and concentrate on your online classes. Okay, thank you.